Russia has revealed a new drone dubbed as Killer Whale, designed primarily as a decoy for countering advanced air defense systems. This UAV is equipped with unique capability to mimic the radar signature of larger, more expensive drones, effectively confusing enemy missile defense. China has officially commissioned its first Type 054B frigate Luohe. The Luohe is next-generation multi-role frigate, featuring advanced stealth technology, integrated combat command system and state-of-the-art firepower capabilities, reflecting China's ongoing modernization efforts in naval warfare. The Israeli company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems announced an upgrade to its Trophy Active Protection System to intercept drones. The enhancement addresses challenges posed by low-altitude aerial threats, including commercially available drones, kamikaze drones and larger fixed-wing UAVs. According to head of Ukraine's main intelligence directorate, North Korea plans to deliver at least 150 KN-23 short-range ballistic missiles, artillery shells and weapons systems to Russia. The KN-23 missiles offers advanced capabilities, including precision targeting and evasion of missile defense systems.